Hey everybody, Carl here. It's been a while. I do know it's been a while since I've made a tech video, engine related or anything like that, but I do it when I can. Today it's something new. It's something I hope is going to work, and it's actually the water pump timing cover seal. Let me show you. All right, I have found that when that shaft, actually the water pump shaft, is in there and it's not coupled to the mechanical water pump, for some reason half of the time it wicks oil out, and a little bit of oil, and it makes a lot of bit of leaking at the bottom of your engine. So I had this machined, which will be a solid cap over the shaft. We'll see if it works. So, do you think I'll be able to put a cap on that with that, like say either an OptiSpark or the torque head sensing unit there? That is the question. Let's hope. All right, here's what we have. This should be able to fit behind there, but you have to get it behind there first to slip up in there. So this just has to back off a little bit. All right, look, I got Indian shellac on this. This is going to be a press fit. I mean, a harder fit. Now I'm going to tap it in. This is basically a cap, so you can leave that shaft in and you don't have to take your timing cover off. Let me show you one of them. It's basically this, just a hollow aluminum machined, and I'm going to make these available only if this ends up working. I'm going to make these available. Okay, it's after the install. I put the water pump back in. Electric water pump is nice because you can make sure it's vented and not leaking, you know, before you even start anything up, so you don't waste your time resealing it or whatever. Got it all filled here. That's the steam line return. I looked underneath, there were no leaks. Under pressure, it's not validated yet, but no, I'm not going to start the engine until I let this, well, maybe I'll start it to make sure it actually starts, and then turn it off, and then I'm going to let it sit overnight, let that shellac seal, if that seal is needed. I doubt it, because that was a press fit. Then I'm going to check to see with the dye and ultraviolet light to see if it actually is leaking. That'll be tomorrow. We are going to see if my water pump shaft seal solution worked on this nice Corvette. Clean. All right, success. No oil leak. The water pump shaft seal that I had machined, it's a success. Can't see why it wouldn't have been. So, in all cases, you might not need it. You may have pulled your mechanical water pump. You might have a good seal at the water pump shaft. You have an electric water pump. No problem with oil leaking, seeping or wicking off of that shaft. But if you happen to have a mysterious front timing cover leak. You think it's coming from the crank, but it's coming from above. Well, it's coming from that water pump shaft seal. The shaft is just wobbling in there, and every once in a while it allows a space for oil to come out. So anyway, the cap that I had machined worked. Thankfully, no oil leaks on this beautiful 94 396 LT1. Actually, that's a 383 LT1 with a nice AI heads, CNC ported AI heads and an AI cam. Good power. It's been on the dyno. Nice road racing car. Nice street car. Nice and comfy cruisy with the M6. Carl Elwine, Elwine Engines. Take care.